You need a car model for your animation, so you start 3D modeling it by yourself, but the problem is that it can take days if not weeks to create a 3D car model. I'm not saying that you shouldn't model cars, but if you already know how to model cars, then there's no point in modeling it unless you want to know how to get better at 3D modeling. So you search online for 3D car models, and most of them literally cost around $100 each. Even after that, oftentimes they are not even rigged. So in this video, I'm going to show you this add-on called Traffic, which provides 76 vehicle models that are rigged and also 250 street assets that can be imported in your scenes with a single click of a button. All the cars come with pre-made interiors as well. You can change the color of the vehicle, you can add light beams, and you can also add dirt, scratches and bumps to the car. But the best feature of all is that you can animate the vehicle on a path, and it can also detect ground to provide suspension. To know more about all the features, you can read the full documentation. The add-on costs $99, and because of their new update, you can get 40% off using the coupon code BlenderCars until the 16th of April. That means right now each asset costs around only 18 cents. The assets will only increase over time. All the future updates will be free for existing customers. If you want to try out the add-on, then you can buy the starter pack that provides around 4% of the total assets at $1, or you can get the light version which provides nearly 36% of the total assets at $29 right now. So if you want to save yourself a lot of time by getting this add-on and at the same time support me, then you can use the affiliate link from the description. It doesn't cost you any extra money, but I get a small portion of the money when you purchase through that link. Now that you've got great models in your scenes, it's also very important to do great lighting. So if you don't know how, watch this video. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos and tutorials. I'll be back.